gonna say hi. Say hi.
Hi ka.
What are we gonna do today? Huh? Wow!
Remove the
You're
teeth,
gonna remove the bad tooth. If you're gonna remove all your teeth, wala nang matitira.
One teeth only. One tooth.
Okay, we're just gonna brush your teeth, okay? Okay, brush muna first. Brush natin. I'll spread muna the toothpaste, ha? So, the toothpaste will make your teeth shiny and smooth, okay? Tika lang like this. Tika. Wow! Oh, tika lang. Look up. Sit up. Yan. If you're gonna look down kasi I cannot brush too well. Hold on. Spread ko muna again. Toothpaste. Okay, right? Spread ko lang muna, ha? Spread muna ni Tita. Ito lang again. Pinati? Okay? Kaya mo kami tuloy. Meron? Wow, galing ah. Okay, last one on this side. Tapos you have to gargle really well ha, para ma-remove yung toothpaste sa Tita Doc, okay? Okay, come on. Gargle mo. Gargle to close your eyes. Are you sure?
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
Ayaw, close your eyes na lang. Up kita tala. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Will it hurt?
I'll try to massage your cheeks but you're not gonna feel it, okay? Okay. So first, we need to practice muna. We need to wipe your cheeks kasi there shouldn't be any laway, okay? So we'll practice muna, ha?
Okay.
Don't look down kasi kanina you were looking down. You had to lift your chin.
Chin up ka lang.
Open. Well, practice muna. Wala pa to. Practice muna. So, if this is the cotton, lagyan mo na ni Tita, like this. And then later, I'll put, this is just a lotion. This is color, what color? Red. So, you might think it's blood, but it's actually strawberry flavor. Strawberry ba to? Cherry pala. Cherry. Okay? Wanna smell it? Okay. Nakakala kasi niya, no, it's blood. Okay? And then, I'll put some lotion here. I'll massage it. And then, when you're ready, I'm gonna ask you to close your eyes. Can you see nga? Practice mo na close eyes. And then, I'll put the medicine na like this. I'm gonna count 1 to 20. Pero daddy kasi, may na si Tita Doc mag-count eh. So, I'll
Okay.
count slowly lang, no? I'm not very good in math eh. Is that okay? I'll massage. Okay. I'll massage 1 to 20 like this. 1. Need free massage. 2. 3. Up to 20. Okay? So, that's actually one of the hardest parts of it. After that,
Is that really easy?
kasi wala pa, we're just practicing. But later, you're gonna feel that there's balloon here, okay? So later, when you gargle, you're gonna feel it's a little bit weird, no?
Okay.
Like there's a balloon. That's the magic of Tita. Okay? So if it's already numbed, like there's a balloon na, we'll try to check the tooth if it's already sleeping. So if this is the bad tooth, you're still a sandy case, you wanna gargle? Okay, gargle first. I'll give you more water. Okay. Okay. So later, as I was saying, when you feel like there's balloon na, we're gonna check if the tooth is sleeping na. So if this is the tooth of Kip, hold like this. Go like this.
Your hand.
Tighten it. Like this. Close your fist. Okay. We're gonna check po, no, if the tooth is sleeping. We're gonna dance the tooth. Hold on tight, ha. So, bigat lang. You're gonna feel there's a pressure lang like this. Dance. 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 Did you hear the cracking sound? That's the normal cracking sound. Don't be afraid. What else? Did you notice there's pressure? You got no? When I was dancing the tooth, no?
Well, you were dancing the truth?
No, we're just reenacting.
Okay.
We're just practicing para later you know what it feels like.
Okay.
Okay? So later, there's pressure and there's bigat talaga ha. Like I'm like hugging the tooth and then there's also cracking sound. Wala pa nga. Ouch. Wala pa. That's just practice. Practice
Relax ka lang.
Okay? And then later po when the tooth is like this na, dancing na, we'll try to hug the tooth. Tita will count 1 to 5 ha, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're done.
Okay.
Okay, but we're gonna try to put the medicine first, okay?
Okay, okay. Let me stop recording.
Okay. 300 na followers mo. Baka makakaya ah.
Daming followers ni Kit. Muna na. Okay, chin up first. Chin up. Chin up. Yan. Okay, put the
Relax
lotion.
ka na.
Remember, the lotion is color pink, ha? You might think it's blood, eh. Ting, 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 ting. Put natin. Ting, 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 ting. Ah. You have to open wide kasi if you're gonna taste it,
Open.
it's not gonna taste good. Oh, no.
Open, open,
Hold on.
open. Close lang your eyes. Relax ka lang. Open.
Dito natin malalaman po kasi kung okay siya with the crown, Okay.
Okay, relax.
Oh, wala pa lang.
Relax lang, wala pa. Wala
Okay.
pang ginagawa sa'yo.
Those eyes na we're gonna massage na your cheeks, okay? You're
Ah.
gonna feel the medicine a little bit, okay? But I'll try to massage for you're not gonna feel anything.
Massage.
Is that okay? Okay. Okay. Don't
Massage.
move na ha. Close eyes lang. Open wide. Open wide para you don't taste the medicine. Don't move ha. Oh, your hand lang on your side. Open, open. Don't.
Open lang, relax. Oh, relax ka lang. Close your eyes.
Okay, wider,
Relax ka lang.
wider.
Up,
Figure
open,
Yan,
open,
okay.
open pa.
Don't move, ah.
Relax
Count
lang.
to 1 to 20. Open wide.
Relax lang.
Don't move your tongue. I might poke your tongue.
Okay, relax.
Okay, thank
Relax
you.
lang,
We're gonna
relax
count
lang.
1.
2.
Oh, massage ni tita.
Relax
Ay,
lang.
wow, may free massage. Kanina nga, si Ama, walang massage eh. 2.
Relax lang, relax.
Thank you. Very good, ah.
Relax, relax, relax.
3. Wow, for the vlog, ah.
Oh, almost there. Yan na. Relax ka lang.
4. Good job, ah.
Relax lang.
Thank you. May free massage.
Relax. Relax lang.
5. 6. Good job. Yeah, I know. You're gonna taste a little
Relax
bit lang,
lang,
ah.
relax lang.
Oh, that's the medicine going in. You feel that there's the balloon na on your cheek. Thank you.
Relax lang.
8. Relax lang. Patuyo na lang ako. Kapit yung kay Jasmine. Oo.
Relax.
9. Tapang nito. Oh, open right. Kanitiwan lang. At tabas na lang. Open, figure up.
Open,
Figure up,
open,
figure
open,
up.
open.
Figure up. Thank you. Last one. Hold on.
Very good keeping.
Relax lang, relax lang.
I hold your hand. I hold your hand.
Relax
Ama will
lang,
hold your hand.
relax
Oh,
lang.
very good nga. Open.
Relax.
Open.
Ay, very good. Very
Good
good.
job.
Ay, very good man si
11.
keeping.
Oh, di ba nga up to 20?
Relax.
Very good.
11, 12.
Wow, galing ah.
Relax lang.
13.
Lalit mo.
Don't move, don't move. Relax lang, relax lang, relax.
After
I'll
this,
remove the cotton. I'll remove the cotton na.
Relax, relax. Relax ka
Move
lang.
lang ni tita yung move lang ni tita yung tongue kasi it's moving so wildly. Open.
Relax.
Open. Thank you. Bigger ah. Last 10 na lang, last 10. And then we're done. Open.
Open, open.
Bigger ah. Don't, relax
Open.
lang yun. Bigger ah. Wait.
Ah.
You have to relax your lips. Relax. Okay.
Relax.
Okay, last 5 seconds na lang, okay? Don't push the mirror up, tita. Doc,
Relax.
thank you. Open.
Relax.
Open. 1. Good job. 2. Almost. Thank you. I know the medicine is going inside, no? 3.
Very good,
Relax lang
very
your tongue.
good.
Relax lang your tongue. Thank you. 4. Get lang ilaway para you don't taste it. Kasi we're gonna taste it. It's
Relax,
gonna
relax.
taste
Almost
bad.
there. Konti na lang. Oh, relax lang.
4. Dinamihan ko naman para.
Relax lang.
Extraction yan, Dok? O yung ano?
Po. Ay, yung ano na yung sumakit po sa kanya ng ngipin. Para sure. Kasi baka po magsumpong kasi ito, ma'am. Lalong mahirapan po tayo. Mag-antibiotic kasi siya, ma'am, kapag ano yung bago matanggal.
Ay, very good. Very good to Kitty. Very good.
Okay. O, gargle ka man.
Okay, easy.
Gargle. Wow.
Easy.
Wow, very good.
O, gargle.
That's the hard part.
I know, doesn't taste good, no? Doesn't taste good already. Check ni tita.
You relax.
So, if you feel later like there's an ant bite like this, you can always add, ha? Okay? You can always add po. Hindi po pwedeng titiisin po ni Kit. If you feel like there's an ant bite, gano'n, yung parang there's kurot, we can add. But if you feel like there's bigat, it's normal. Bigat, it's normal. Bigat. If there's a cracking sound, it's normal. Okay, let's see.
It is happening.
What? What do you feel? Feels weird?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Nauna yung ice cream mo na eh. But later you can still eat ice cream.
It's like something is stretching my.
Yeah, I know. That's the magic potion. That's the magic medicine. Okay, let's see now. Open. Open. Bigger up. Bigger up. Check ni tita if it's sleeping. Sleep na ba? Bigat. Bigat. Tingnan nga ni tita. How about on this side? Okay, you see, bigat? Yeah, bigat. Heavy. Let's see, open. What?
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. I know. Bigat na, bigat. Bigat. Oh, we're not dancing yet, ah. We're just checking if it's already asleep. Okay, this is one of the hardest parts again. Remember the dancing? It's already mabigat and then there's a cracking sound. Okay? Okay, let's try.
Next na rin po si Ikikit ko lang naman po yung
Pa-check lang.
x-ray ko po siya.
Now, hold on lang, ah. Open wide. Open wide. Move lang ni tita pa, you don't bite me, ah. Let's see. Dance. Bigat. Bigat. Galing, ah. How about it? Open? Yeah. Bigat, no?
I hold your hand.
Relax lang, your tongue. I'm gonna
Relax
put
lang.
this in your tongue para I won't poke it. Dance.
You can close your eyes,
Dance.
Kit. Close your eyes. Go
I
to
think gusto po yata niya manood. Parang it helps him be distracted.
I want to
eh.
open? Okay.
Nanonood siya ng
Bigger
show.
one.
Oo.
Tinakpan ko ma'am eh, para di makita eh. This one is a little bit bigger and dance. Oh, this one? Can you see? Nasa rin pa suction. Dance.
Sorry.
Dance. It's heavy, no? Bigat, no? Sorry. Kasi your bad tooth, it doesn't like kasi trying to take it out and they want sugary candies and gummies. Oh no. Dance. Okay, little bit more. Dance. Dance. Right side. Dance. Uy, galing mo. Really good, no? Oh, kahit. Let's try. Take it out. Tama tayo? It's just cotton. Okay? Try natin. Daddy, hold na lang to ah. Baka mabigatan kasi. Remember? Lamig na kamay ko. Love, listen ah. Remember ah. I need to hold it really tight. Okay? Tita will count 1 to 5. Okay? Remember. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Tapos later, Ama, you can buy 1 tub of ice cream pero plain lang. So, okay, let's see.
No flavor.
1 tab.
1 tub. Let's see, Open
We're
wide,
going to
ha?
eat one tub of ice cream. Yay!
Bigat, remember it's bigat, ha? Don't touch Tita Doc's hand. You might swallow the bad tooth. Open wide, bigger, ah.
Almost there.
Hug me, tita. Open wide, bigger, ah. You have to make it. That's your biggest one.
Open.
Oh, massage na ni tita.
I hold your hand, ah.
Bigat. Massage ni tita. I know.
Open.
No, I hold your hand. Do not hold.
Oh, man. Let's massage. Oh, we'll count 1 to 5, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Nakagat mo yung doon na ba? Open. Kasi if you don't open wide, we're not
Open.
gonna be able to pick it up. Open.
Open.
Don't bite the Tita Doc.
Open.
Kunin ko muna yung mga putol. At get mo na ni Tita yung mga putol. Dance ko muna. Is it too heavy for you? A little bit heavy? Okay, we'll dance more. Tama na. Sorry po. Kaya mo na, no? Darcy D. Darcy Tita, dance ko na dito muna. You can open your eyes para you can watch. Open your eyes. Oh.
Malapit na.
Magalaw na to pero baka malaki kasi yung ugat mo. Oo.
Smaller kasi.
Malapit na.
Tsaka dikit siya sa kanyang permanent na tooth eh. Is it painful o bigat? Bigat. Is it painful or bigat? Ito, tita. Bigat like
Buti
this?
kumain.
Or like this?
Pinakain mo na?
We'll add more? You want add more medicine? Okay, ma-add more doon. Kaya ako ano dito?
Yes, he's videoing.
Yes, and no video.
No video, no.
Okay.
Relax lang your tongue. You have to relax your tongue. I need to stretch it out. Here. Yan. Look straight. Yan. You can open your eyes while watching. You can watch. Don't bite, tita. Yan.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Dance. You can open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Open.
You look at the TV.
Dance.
You look at the TV.
Dance. You get like that.
Okay, you look here, oh.
Dance. Open, relax lang.
Open. Madali na.
Parang dito lang if there's pain.
Very good.
Madali na.
Here? Inside? Inside? Then I do this, no? Bigat lang, no? Heavy, no? Yun, heavy. Kasi dami kayo pinagsamahan, eh. Don't like to come out, eh. Okay? Get lang yung piece of again, ha? Basag-basag na to, ma'am. Eh.
Yung sa gilid.
Okay.
Dami na.
Manipis na kasi siya. Oh, we'll try again. Is that okay? We'll try again?
Okay.
Pagalit, ah. Look straight lang.
Look straight.
Tired ka na? Wala pa nga.
Malapit na.
Lang yan, kid.
Malapit na.
You have to be brave kasi that's your
Oh, andito na yung viewers
go into your
mo.
video.
You have many views, kid.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see.
Later we'll play chess, huh? Later?
Open wide mo na, open.
Okay, open.
Very
Oh,
good.
check lang ni tita. Check lang. Like this lang muna. You can
Ah.
open your eyes.
Open.
Check mo na ni tita. Hindi pa tayo masyado magdadance. Check. Open. Yun, bigat. Thank you. Make sure you're, how do you hold your head like straight lang, okay?
Straight.
Yun. Checking.
Very good.
Checking. Yun. It's
Yan
over
na.
na.
Okay na.
Wow.
Konti na lang.
Ay, konti na lang.
Yeah, it's heavy lang. Kasi it's moving na.
Okay. It's moving na. Konti na lang.
Moving. Painful pa rin? O heavy? Heavy?
Kaya na. Konti na lang yan.
Painful? Really? We're gonna add a little bit more. It's heavy ata eh. Where do you
Hey.
feel it at the back? Other side?
Paano yun?
Hmm. Naloko mo na si tita. It's moving na. What do you feel it, oh?
Oh, malapit na. Konti na lang.
Moving na eh.
Konti na lang.
Oh, wait lang po ah.
It's out.
Wait lang.
Huh?
Where's another one pa? Open po, open.
Open,
Oh,
open.
that's it lang. Tama ma. Nasat na kasi.
The tooth is out.
Hold on, love. Hold on. Check lang ni tita.
Ay, very good si Kitty.
Meron pa po siyang naiiwan naman ito. Hmm. Open. Check na ni tita. That's a big tooth, ha? Opo. Saka
Sayang.
sobrang...
Pero this is milk food. Sayang talaga, no?
Open mind.
Open, baby, open.
Doing?
Open. Konti na lang. May kukunin lang ng kaunti. Open.
Please open. Open yun.
Ay, almost. Oh, trying to move it lang.
Very
It's painful?
good.
Painful? Okay, what is it?
You broke my gum.
No, I'm trying to dance it. Is it painful? I'll add more. Oh, did you know I'm poking your gum? Dance ko lang, oh. Yung, may isang root pa po siyang naiwan. Ito yung side po na mas malaking ba. Kunin ko lang. I know.
Naputol yung teeth mo kasi.
Oo.
Ito yung masakit na yan, Doktor. Tinitiis na lang.
Baka hindi niya rin po masabi kung masakit eh. Kasi yung itsura ng ngipin, parang maging ganun po yung tooth. Sobrang itim. Oh, we'll try. Okay? Open? We'll try. Open? We'll try to get it. The last piece. It's small eh. Kaya yung hemostat. Watch na lang.
I'm rocking it.
Yeah, I'm rocking it. Just checking it. Painful when I do this?
No.
No. Tsaka paledo ko x-ray. Yung x-ray niya ma'am dun sa sinedyo, ilang months na po yun ago?
Kailan ba yun?
Parang...
Open na.
Parang June lang yun, Dok. Last month lang.
Last month po. Pero yung June po, hindi pa po natatanggal yung ngipin niya sa baba.
Hindi pa. Last week lang yan. Yung ngipin niya sa baba, last week lang.
Okay, hold on. X-ray ko lang po ito ah. Kasi medyo ayaw niyang...
Baby, you're so brave, Kitty.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
May naiwan lang ng kaunti.
I need to clean it kasi eh. Figure out. I know you're tired. I know lang. Tired na, no?
Open lang ikaw, mouth. Nag-crack kasi yung ngipin mo, may natira pa, oh.
Okay. Bite ulit mo na. Bite. Yun. X-ray ko lang po muna. Ay, mo na. Ay, don't look at na. Yikes.
Don't look at it muna.
Don't look at
Later
your
na,
nails.
later.
We can take it home. You want to take it home?
You make it a
Yeah, I
necklace.
give it to you. I give it to you. I tell you.
You're gonna make it a necklace? Huh? You show Lola.
May video ka, sige.
Although mo, bala ba? You should open your eyes para maganda sa video.
Yan.
After po nito, baka need ko po siyang, isuture. Yung tooth. Para pag kumain po siya, hindi kayo magali na pumasok yung kanin po sa loob.
Pero ano yan siya, Doc? Hindi na siya tanggalin. Ano na sa parang...
Matutunaw po. Apa.
Matutunaw.
Wait lang, hold on. I need to stretch it out now. Stretch. Water lang, water. Open, bigay off.
Open, open, open.
Bigay off, bigay. You're
Ah,
biting the
ah,
bite. You're biting
ah.
dito na. Tell me if you're tired, ha?
May-
But open wide, open wide. I'll count 1 to 5 muna, ha? And then rest. Open, bigger, Nakatabi niyo na si tita.
Open your mouth para mabilis.
Don't ba?
Up, open, 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 open.
Bigay na. Ngali ka na lang. Sorry na.
Open.
Ay, careful with your tongue. Open, open. Ngali na yata. I let you bite on something what right, ha? Pero,
Wait, open, open, open. Open. Open lang, open, open, open.
kasi it's gonna stop when you close your mouth, eh.
Open, open. Konti na lang, kukunin lang yung natira eh. Open, open.
That's right. Try ko muna po.
Very good.
Let's try. Watch ka na lang. Want to watch naman eh.
May natira pa nga. Baon pa yung ano.
Open, open.
Kita mo.
Check mo nga ni Tita. Check
Baon
mo
pa
ni
yung
Tita.
mga.
Open na, ah.
Yun ang masakit eh.
Malambot po sobra. Sobrang lambot. Kailangan ko na MPE. Ayan. Konti na lang. I'll just remove a part of it and then we'll try to get it. You don't like with glasses, but yung water kasi will splatter on it everywhere.
Konti na lang.
I know.
Natira kasi yung konti. Kalahati lang yung ngipin mo. Natanggal.
50% pa lang.
Kalahati pa lang. Dalawa yung nakabaon eh. Yung
MPE
isa pa lang
ako.
nakuha.
You can rest.
Tapos ka na sa
That's why you need to toothbrush so your teeth strong. Isang bunot lang.
Check ko lang. Okay, open?
Don't
Open?
forget, ha?
Okay na.
Toothbrush teeth.
Gagamitin mo.
Toothbrush ka lagi.
Yung
Tapos mag-x-ray ka pa ulit.
ang bone reduction ko lang. Nakakapit pa siya dun sa
Open.
na.
Relax,
Tama.
open. Open. Open.
Cracking sound lang ah. Crack, crack, crack. Crack, crack, crack. Don't curl your lip. Cannot see. Oh God. Ayan natin ah. So, try to dance it muna. Para sure. Dance, dance, dance. Ang hindi lang po namin kasi nire-recommend yung ubusin yung bone kapag nagbawas po kasi support niya yun eh para sa patubong ngipin po eh. Kaya minimal pa rin yung ano natin. We'll try ha. Try ko.
Okay, open. Open your mouth. Open, open.
Face
Open.
tita, face tita. Heavy? Heavy? Is it heavy? Hold on now. Hold. Wait. Kaya magpakuha, ma'am eh. Malaki na hindi siya pwede kasi may permanent tooth siya sa kabila. Sa baba. Okay.
Open.
Water lang ni tita ulit. Water lang. Dry na yung lips kasi, no? Ngalay na siya. Maramdam ko na yung ngalay niya. Kaya?
Konti
Yeah,
na lang, konti
malapit
na
na.
lang. Kaya yan.
Kailangan ka talaga mag-brush teeth, ha?
Kinakagat na. Don't bite, tita.
Ah.
Don't bite, tita.
Para matanggal na.
Last one na to, yo. Open,
That's na, isang
I like to bite
pull
on
na lang.
something. Tell me if you're okay with this, ha? Para hindi ka mangalay. Open? It's like Mr. Hotdog. Open? There's soft. Open? Open, bigger. Okay, bite? Good? Good? Okay with this one? Ah. Ngalay siya. Ikaw surgery tayo nang wala sa oras, ha?
Iwan.
Get mo na, sige. Yan na. Don't push it with your tongue si Mr. So, di makukuha yung water. Try natin ulit, love. Try and try.
Another try.
Gusto mo ba ito? Eh. Oh, with this one? With Mr. Hotdog or without Mr. Hotdog? Mr. Hotdog? Okay. Hold on, I'll open a little bit more, ha? Open ka muna, open. Okay, bite. Bite. Yan. Oh.
Bite ka lang.
Ito na yung masarap. Tita me, para I would know. Bigat? Is it heavy? Heavy, no? Heavy. Pag ganito pa naman madalas curve yung root, kaya sayang. Ayan. This one? I'm touching it. Huh? You got?
Malapit na.
I'll get it. We'll try. Heavy? Can I do this heavy? Heavy or big or ouchy? This one? I'm touching it, eh. I'm painful? What? Nitani? Don't be shy.
Open, open. Open, madali na, kukunin na.
Mangat na siya sir. Wait lang.
Malapit na. Konti na lang. Konti na lang, please.
Tiisin mo na lang.
Ano na, nakaangat na.
Eh, sobrang...
Bubunutin
ano,
na lang, kukunin na lang. Only a little more patient lang ikaw.
Makikita na nga, makikita na nga siya from here. Kailangan ko lang na hair. Yes.
Sa'yo, hindi kayo naka-experience na ganyan, no?
Na bata? Hindi, matanda na ako nung impacted tooth eh.
Impacted din po?
Oo.
Oh.
Pero yung bata kayo, hindi kayo.
Bata ako, hindi ba na ako ganyan?
Siyempre, kasi hindi ano.
Impacted tooth lang naman, wisdom tooth lang naman din naman. Wisdom tooth ko ata, 14 years old ako eh. Secondary high school ako.
Okay, I'll get it. Okay. Adan.
Okay.
Yun lang. Hindi po pala dalawa. 3. Ay.
Napasag pa.
Wow!
3 po. Kaya...
3 pieces. Oh.
You wanna gargle? Gargle ka? That's cotton. You wanna gargle? Gargle mo na. Come on, gargle. Yes. Tapos, tita needs to put ribbon sa tooth, ha? Linisin ko po, pero...